Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to buy Amazon return pallets. First, open your web browser and type in liquidation.com in the address bar. Once you're on the liquidation.com website, look for the lot size section. You will see options like pallet, truckload, and package. These options determine the quantity of items you will be purchasing. Next, navigate to the brand or retailer section. Here you will find different options representing various brands or retailers whose products are available for purchase. Now let's move on to the location section. This is where you can select the desired location for your purchase. It could be a specific region, city, or even country. Lastly, explore the shop by category section. Here you will find different categories of products to choose from, such as electronics, clothing, home goods, and more. As you scroll down the page, you will come across a variety of products available for purchase. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.